Okay, I'm going to start with the concepts, overall concepts that we are going to deal with our real time classes. Okay, guys, let's say. Okay, let's say. So all our goal is getting job, right? The people who are here for academic, anybody is here? No, right? So all are for getting job only, right? So we are going to deal with getting job only, not like theory part. Okay, learning theory part, definitions and writing notes, and then by hearting the definitions. Okay, and then going to the interviews for fun. Okay, so you are going to tell some definition to the interviewers, and then interviewer will ask you again immediately what. Okay, so where is your project, and he will ask you, right, yes or no, and then he will finally come to know that you are coming from Amirpet Institute. Okay, not from so but you keep experience. How much experience you are going to keep, guys? Okay, so you are going to keep some experience, yes or no? So you are going to do that activities basically, and then they are expecting something like some amount of knowledge, some amount of experience, some amount of skill they are expecting from you, but wherein you have only theory part, right? Maybe you might have learned so many concepts like core Java, advanced Java, Spring, Hibernate, web services. Might have knowledge basically, you may have that knowledge, not a problem, but there is a gap between your knowledge and then the requirements for getting job. There is a huge gap. Why? Because we are going to focus on more into practical, no more into theoretical, but wherein if you go to interviews, or if you go to job, in the job what they are going to ask you, guys, basically they are going to ask you everything, whatever it may be. It's very small question, that is what is the difference between abstract class and then interface, and then you will tell differences, and then finally he is going to ask you a common question. What is the common question, guys? Where you have implemented interfaces in your application, where you have implemented abstract class in your in your project. Okay, so he may ask you like something like, what's your recent task you have done? What is your recent task you have done? Okay, guys, and then he may ask you, what's your challenging task? And he may ask he may give you a small scenario for you in the interview, and then he will ask you how you are going to do this kind of application, this kind of task. Okay, and then he give you pen and paper, and then he wants you to write a code for doing such kind of requirements. See, if you are going with the theory part, can you cross this kind of questions? Can you clear this kind of questions? It's highly impossible. Why? Because we need skill rather than knowledge. Not just getting job, guys. Getting job is nothing for us. Yes, seriously. In Java, if you prepare only for interviews, yes, it's not more than 1 month, 1.5 month. 45, yeah, job is matter of 45 days. We feel like that. But not just getting job. So after getting job, what you have to do? You have to do the job, right? Isn't it? You have to do the job. If you are not able to do the job, then getting job is what is the use, guys? Yes or no? So you have to come back again. If you are not able to do the job, what happens, guys? You have to come back from the job basically. The people, so many people thinks that getting job is important. After getting job, it will be very very much okay. It's not like government job. Yes or no? If it is getting job is very critical in government job basically. After getting the job, it's very very easy. Even 10th class candidate also can do the government jobs. Yes, it's damn sure work, guys, basically. But what's the problem over here? The problem is here, getting job is easy, surviving in the job is not that much easy. That's why we have to focus on doing the job. Okay, so the people who can get the job, they can do the job basically. That is our motto. Did you listen, guys? Who can do the job, they can get job easily. My voice is audible? No, na? Not clear. Like, okay, now చెప్పాలి బాబు, పర్లేదా? Okay, so that's why we have to focus on doing job. The people who can do the job, they can get job easily. Why? Because whatever concepts are going to be asked in the interview, all the concepts are going to implement in the real time. So in software, basically whatever things we are going to learn, those concepts we are going to implement into the real time. Not like, if you go with real time, if you go to with the normal government jobs and all, whatever things you are going to learn, those concepts are not going to be used in the job. Yes or no? So for getting job is, the subject is different. After getting the job, the subject is totally different. Yes or no? So that's why basically you people has to focus on things, whatever things basically required for doing the job. The same things are going to be asked in the interview. So that's why we focus on exactly the things we are going to do in the real time. So the people, we are not just focusing on interviews, we are going to focus on doing the job. Okay, guys? So for doing the job, we need some skill. What is skill, guys, basically? So let us say, if you see any job posting in the Naukri or in any papers or anywhere, if you see any such kind of openings, okay, in the opening they will mention skill set, not knowledge set. Did you get it, guys? They ask you skill set. Okay, what is meant by skill set and then what is meant by knowledge set? I just want to tell you because it's very, very useful for you people. Let us say, if it is a skill set, let us say knowledge set, you have the knowledge. Skill set means having the skill. Okay, what is the difference between knowledge and then skill? Let's say I will give you, very good example. For everybody I am going to give the same example. Okay, the example is, I want to learn swimming. Okay, I want to learn swimming. So for learning swimming, okay, so I brought one book, Learn Swimming in 30 Days. Okay, every language, everything, wherever you go, if you want to learn anything, there is a book called Learn in 30 Days, right? Yes or no? The same way I got the book of Learn, Swimming in 30 Days. Okay, I prepared that book 30 days very well, and then after 30 days I have taken examination. I got certification also in swimming. Okay, then I'll go to the well and then I'll jump into the well. What happens? Got it, guys, basically? So the knowledge is helping you. The knowledge is helping you basically. Okay, so it's totally different, guys. Got it, what I'm trying to say? So it's very much likely, similar to our job. The people, you may have, your friends or your seniors or somebody going to the job and then not able to do the job, come back. Because they have performed their knowledge in the interview, they got the job. After jumping into the job, what happened? Okay, they don't have skill. Got it, guys? That's why we have to focus on skill. Got it? What is the difference between knowledge and then skill now? The same way, like, commentator will comment, on batsman or bowler, in the theory part, yes or no? But who is going to bowl, who is going to bat, basically? The people are the players. Player has skill. Okay, but commentator has? Okay, ask commentator to, batting basically. So, give bat and then ask him to bat basically. What happens? He is going to tell you, we have to play like this, we have to play like this. He will tell so many things, right? Yes or no? But ask him to bat basically. So it's totally different, right? Yes or no? So that's why totally not only in the just Java, not only in the ground, not only in the in the playing or something. wherever go, even in the real world, whatever things you take basically, if you want to do any work, you need skill, not knowledge. Of course, if you have skill, automatically knowledge follows. Okay, if you have skill, automatically you have knowledge. But if you just focus on knowledge, you don't get skill. Yes guys. So if you take swimming, if you learn swimming techniques and all, what happens, they might have provided so many techniques like backward swimming, sideward swimming, and then underground swimming, something. There may be different swimmings you may have, but by learning itself you are going to get all the things? No guys, it's not possible. So that's why for getting knowledge, you have so many ways. You can read the books, okay, you can listen the classes, you can web, you can go to the web, internet, or you can discuss with your friends, or you can prepare your notes. Okay, so many things you can do for getting knowledge guys. Okay, but for getting skill, we do have only one way. Can you tell me what is that? Anything in the world guys, anything in the world, for getting skill, we do have the only one weapon, powerful weapon, guaranteed weapon. What is that? Practice. Not only just, I am not talking about just Java. It is applied to anything in the world. You need skill, you have to do it, that's it. Even you might have experience with communication also, right? You might have gone to something communication skill classes. Wherever you go, whatever books you read, you are not going to you are not able to talk fluently without practice. Yes or no? If you start practice, no need to go to any institutes. Yes or no? Of course, they guide you better in practicing. They guide you in practice. Yes guys. So actually, why we are focusing on theory part, why we don't have this kind of knowledge, why people don't know we need skill. People still don't know we need skill. They still think about knowledge only. Why it is happening? Basically, why it is happening means due to our educational background. How education happens guys, basically with us, every year we are going to write examination. Yes or no? Okay, every year we are going to, every semester, what we are going to do, we are going to do examination only. Okay, after 1 year learning or 6 months learning, we are going to take examination. What kind of examination? That focus on knowledge only. Is it right or wrong? They are not going to give you some instruments and they are not going to ask you to do some task. Yes or no? So that is what basically. So that's why we still don't know we need skill rather than knowledge. Okay guys, but when you are coming into the job, they need what? Skill. So they will give you task in the real time. You entered into the project, they have given you one task to you to do, and then okay, you have to do task in the computer by taking a system, and then you have to do it. Yes or no? Instead of taking system, you take pen and paper, write your code on the pen, write your code on the paper. Is it going to work? Like examination, you are going to write in the paper. Is it going to work? Got it guys? You are going to write so much of theory. Okay, universities will give you so many marks, but here work is not going to happen. Yes or no? Got it guys? That's why the knowledge is different totally. Okay, the skill is totally different. If you go to any job, you need skill. Skill comes with only practice. Only with practice guys. So we have to focus on skill. We are here to make you skillful person, not like a knowledgeful person. After this course, I want to make you like not a student basically. Again, a student, after 1 year, student will become student only because he has only still knowledge again. Okay, in every academic year, what happens? Throughout the year, so many lecturers, so many periods will be there, so many persons will be there. They will come and they will tell you on the boards, and then So many things happens in the board basically, yes or no? You are going to take notes, you are going to prepare so many books. Finally you will become what? Again student only. Student cannot do job, guys. Yes, student cannot do job because he has just knowledge. But the people who are in the industry, they need what? The persons who have the skill. The persons who have the skill, that those kind of persons they need. Okay guys, but you go with your knowledge, it's not going to be sufficient for doing job. Why? Because let us say you may learn it, but learning, okay, so you people thinks like I know knowledge, I have knowledge, basically so many things I know, I have learned so many things like that, and then if they give one opportunity I can prove. How many days they have to give to you? How many days, guys? So for learning, what you are going to do? Yeah, assume I am the company person, I have given a chance to you. What you are going to come to me? You are going to come to me and then you will take one system and then you will start doing work. You cannot do directly. Okay, for doing work, what you are going to do? You are going to depend on all other persons, because you cannot even learn, you cannot understand already existing project. You cannot understand it, because after going there what you have to do? You have to understand the code. Sorry, managers are not going to entertain the people who are not able to do the work, because other people are going to disturb. Yeah, so other people are going to disturb because they do have a lot of work. Every person has a lot of work, they have to do their own. If you are disturbing other people, what happens? Got it, guys? So that's why we do need what kind of knowledge or skill, guys? It's definitely skill. Okay, we have to focus on skill. Yes, so we do focus on skill, guys. To focus on skill, what are the things we are going to do here? Yes, let us say our target is what? Doing the job. Okay, that is nothing but automatically getting the job. Okay, if you are able to do the job, definitely you can get the job. Don't worry about it. Okay, so that's why to do the job, what kind of job it is, you should know what are the things happening in the real time. What are the things happening in the something systems, and then what are the requirements are there, how many people are there, okay, how many different category of people are there, how communication happens over there, how you are going to, everything you should know basically. And then you have to work on requirements. Let us say you people has some certain knowledge, and then I do have requirements. If I give requirements to you directly, what happens, guys? Okay, I'll give, yeah, we do have projects, yes, really we have clients. Okay, we are going to work with clients daily. Okay, the same way we do have so many requirements. I'm going to give you requirements to you people. Okay, and I will tell you, do that requirement. Is it possible to do for you people, guys? You are in the learning stage. You cannot do it. By seeing that requirement, you'll get fear basically. Okay, you have to become like doing that kind of tasks. That's why what we are going to do is, we'll take the requirements. Okay, we'll implement the requirements into our systems in front of you only. That is live classes, live coding. Okay, guys, in classroom what happens means, we'll take the real time requirements, and then by taking that requirement, I'm going to do it in front of you, how we are going to implement this kind of requirement into our technologies. Okay, guys. Sorry. So now, after finishing this requirement in the classroom, okay, one important thing is, I am not going to do that requirement already. Okay, I am not going to show you already existing requirement code. What I am going to show you, how to code. In front of you I am going to code, so that you people come to know that how to code, so that you can follow me as it is. So you may get so many errors You may people get so many errors. I am going to tell you, you may get this kind of errors. Still, you may face different errors. Yes, because when you are writing code, if you write any code, output is not going to come immediately, guys. Okay, output is not going to come immediately. If you are getting output immediately, you have to feel like there is something going wrong. Okay, if you get errors, then only you are in correct way. Okay, so people thinks like they will write some code and they will expect output exactly first time, writing and then compile, run. Immediately they have to expect output. It is not possible for even Bill Gates. Got it, guys? It is not possible even for Bill Gates also. First we have to write the code, then test it. We will face errors. Check the errors. What we have to do? Taking that error, and then what is the error? We have to understand it, and then we have to correct it, then we have to run it. Again we may get one more error. Yes. How many errors you are going to face? That much knowledge you are going to get, that much skill you are going to get. That is what I want to tell. Listening, guys? Okay, so that is what we have to learn basically. Now even the code, whatever code you are going to write, every piece of code is available in the internet. Did you you might have having that knowledge, yes or no? In the internet, whatever code you want to write, everything will be in the internet. Then what is the difference between a developer and then tester? Tester also can go to the internet and copy paste into our application. What is the difference between developers and other people? Writing code and getting code is not important now. When you run, you are going to face errors. When you face errors, who can fix the errors? That person is a developer. That person is developer. Okay, guys? The person who can write the code, he is not the developer. The person who can write the code as well, who can fix the errors, that person is a developer, guys. We have to become like a developer. That's why, so wherever you go, if you go to the interviewer will ask questions all related to this kind of skill only. Whatever question he asks you, immediately he will ask you what? Where you have implemented this concept in your project. Otherwise, what happens internally about this? So to answer this kind of questions, you need really skill. To get skill, what you need? You have to do the practice. Okay, what kind of practice you have to do? You have to practice on doing real-time requirements. Okay, guys, we have to practice on doing real-time requirements. Okay, so that's why basically you people have to very careful about it in the classroom. So I am going to show you every requirement in front of you doing, everything, starting to ending. I am going to take starting to ending. Okay, so this is our requirement. We have to, we have to take low level designing, we have to take high level designing, we have to take this one, we have to take unit testing, we have to follow all these activities. Okay, guys, we have to practice, all the things. We have to do practice all the things basically. Okay, guys, when you are practicing, yes, you may face so many errors. Okay, you may face so many errors. Yes, we are here to solve all the errors. Don't worry about it, guys. Okay, so that's why now every day we are going to take requirements, real-time requirements, and then start doing those things. Okay, so this is real time. And then what is real time requirements? So something, it is not academic project, guys. Please remember this. It is not academic project. I am not taking a sample requirements. So we are going to take really real time requirements, because we do have clients basically. So every day we are going to face so many requirements with our clients. Okay, of course, our clients are very small clients. We don't have big company. I am not saying that I am going to, after finishing our course, we are going to put in the job, I am not going to tell you basically. So because there are so many openings in the market, we do have very small team, of course. We do have small clients. Okay, still we are in the just recently we have started our development centers. Okay, so we are not that position to give jobs. Okay, don't expect from us, guys. Okay, of course, yeah, as of everybody coming from some referral, right? So how they are going to get job, how they have already got jobs. So I am going to tell you 100%, so 100% every person has to get the job. Okay, for that, for your batch onwards, or of course for previous batch onwards, basically we have started a separate program for that, the separate program for this. Getting job early, so early. Previously, after finishing the course, people are going to the interviews and then they are getting job 1 month, 1.5 months, so that yeah, everybody will get job. After coming here, guys, everybody will get job. That is not a big deal. Getting job it's very easy after coming here. Yes, it's for sure. Don't worry about it. But we have to take a challenge. How soon we have to get it? That is what we have to do it. Some people feel like, yeah, we have to get job even after 6 months, 7 months. Don't feel like that basically. If your target is 6 months, 7 months, it may, even you may not get job also sometimes. Why? Because don't keep the targets. We have to get job as soon as possible. Yes, you have to get job as soon as possible. Why? Because okay, the market is very good. So let us say, even yeah, after getting after finishing this course, you are going to get job, right? Definitely, yes, you are going to get job. Definitely you get job. Some person get job after 1 month, another person got 2 months, one person got job within the 1 week. Okay, after finishing something, one person got 3 months, 4 months. Let us say, what is the salary of monthly salary of you after getting job, guys? So minimum 35 to 40,000. We are not going to get job like 5,000, 10,000 jobs. We are going to get what? Minimum 35 to 40,000 minimum. So minimum, that is minimum. Okay, some people will get job. Yesterday got the person, so he may come to you, he will talk to you, everybody will come to you, and then who will get the job, they will come to you, and then they will talk to you, guys, no problem. Okay, so that person got 6 lakhs basically. Okay, he got offers in 2 companies. So even 39th batch, the person is 39th batch, even it is not crossed 10 days also, just few days back it is released. With the people who are 40th batch here, they know that just a few days back they have released it, that's it. Okay, they got the job. That person within the week they got. Okay, so not one job, not one offer, he got 2 or 3 offers in hand. So getting job is very easy, guys. After completion of course, getting job easy. But our challenge is what's our challenge? How soon we have to get it? Why? Because the person got within 1 week, that person got the job. One another person will get job after 1 month. One another person will got 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. Yeah, one person got 4 months. After 4 months, one person got the job. How much money he lost, guys? If it is monthly 35,000, basically he lost your money only. Getting job today or tomorrow, you are going to get job definitely, right? Yes, you are going to get job definitely. Then you are delaying unnecessarily, you are spending time unnecessary things, you are not focusing on things, you are not practicing, you are not preparing for the interviews. Okay, preparing interviews or not preparing for something, doing tasks and all you are not doing. Okay, that's why it got delayed to 4 months. Okay, who is going to lose? After 4 months you are going to get job, because after listening classes definitely you will get job, no problem. But after 4 months you will get the job, what happens? You are going to lose your money only. Yes, guys, it's a fact, 100% fact. The person who will get job after course, he is going to start earning. Yes or no? Immediately he start earning. After 4 months, 4 into 40 or 35,000. It crossed 1 lakh rupees. Yes, guys, it's your money only. You are losing your money. That's it. Okay, if you get job early, with the same money, what you can do? You'll get the bike, yes or no? Or something you can do whatever you want, yes or no? So that's why just I'm focused, your job only, guys, because I'm seeing, I see so many students basically. I see so many students basically. Because of their negligence only, they are delaying their getting job. Just negligence. They are very clever. They are very hardworking also. But they do have what? Neglect. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. So what happens? They will get job. But after all the people getting job, they will get the job. They people initially, okay, they have struggled a lot. Yeah, they struggled a lot basically. No problem. Yeah, they are very clever. Here, cleverness is not sufficient, guys. Doing hard work, be committed. That is what I am saying. Whatever things you have done before, okay, you have done many, you have completed your MCAs, BTechs, something MTechs, you might have completed so many things. I am not asking how you have done, what are the percentages you have. I am not asking you. What are the percentages? You may have 99% or you may have just 35%. I am not asking you. What you have done? You have, you went college or you went movies during your, education period. So what you have done, we are not asking. We are just asking you, be committed just these 3 months, 2.5 to 3 months. That's it. That's all, guys. That's it. What in your life? Okay, give your 2.5 months to 3 months to me. That's enough. Okay. I'll show you guys better. I'll show you. It's a 100% turning for you people. Okay. So definitely. Okay. But what I'm asking you people is just give your commitment and then be hard work. So in your life basically. So how much hard work you can do that. That's it. So whatever things you have done. So the people who are already hard work, don't reduce your hard work, guys. Increase your hard work. So here challenging, I am clearly saying here challenge is how soon we have to get the job. Everybody will get the job. I am sure about it, guys. How many people? I have seen so many people. Okay, everybody will get job. Once we come to Slocum, then definitely we'll get the job. Maybe it may delay 1 month, 2 months. Yes, everybody will get it. Even poor student also get the job. But here, after coming here, I don't see like a poor student. I don't see like clever student. I'll see only the students who are doing hard work. That's it, guys. If you are clever, keep your cleverness with you only. Don't show your cleverness. Show your hard work. Hard work only, guys. Seriously, basically. So that's why I don't prefer the people who are very clever. I don't neglect the people who are very poor. I sincerely encourage the people who are doing hard work. Seriously, guys. So that's why the people who are very clever, the people who feel very clever, they have to be very careful about this point. Why? Because so always cleverness is not going to, always cleverness is not going to make us success. The only hard work is success, guys. The only hard work. So if you are very clever, the cleverness is going to be useful after getting job. Okay, to get promotions, to get salary hike, that is going to be useful. But here your cleverness will be keep with you only. Here be committed, be hard work. Okay, guys. So we have to get a job very soon. So recently, from previous batch onwards, I have started a excellent approach for getting job, early, guys. So previous batches, we did not have that type of techniques. We didn't implement that. So from your batch onwards especially, and then previous batch, the previous batch is nothing but 40th batch. It's still going on. Okay, still going on. It's continuation batch. Okay, that batch is something 40th batch basically. So the technique, a new technique we are going to implement to get job early is, let's say our course may be 2.5 months. or 3 months, assume. After 1.5 month itself, we'll start going to the interviews. Listening, guys? Our course is 2.5 month, but after finishing 1.5 month, or some, one course will be there. After finishing some concepts, it may take 1.5 month or so. You'll start going to the interviews. Start going to the interviews. I'll make you to go to the interviews. I'll prepare you to go to the interviews. Listening, guys? Okay. So once you start going to the interviews, okay, once you start going to the interviews, okay, then you may get basically so many doubts. Yes or no? So every doubt is going to be, clarified in our classrooms. Okay, our target is finish by end of 2.5 month. Okay, at least who are very sincere to go to the interviews and all, they have to get the job. At least, okay, 10% to 20% of people has to get job before course finishing, guys. Before finishing the course itself, okay, we have to get the job. At least 10 to 20%, my target is, initial target. Okay, don't, fear the people who cannot attend the interviews. Don't fear, I'll be here. I'll be helping you. Okay, let's, how this program is going to help everybody, I'm going to tell you. So what happens, the course may be 2.5 month, guys. Yes or no? In 1.5 month, okay, whatever things, required for going to the interviews, everything I am going to clear before 1.5 month itself. Okay, within 1.5 month, I am going to clear everything for going to the interviews. Now you are ready for going to the interviews, but not doing the job. Got it, guys? Babu, vintunara? Because it's a very small point, basically. It's a small difference, but it's a huge difference actually. If you understand, it's a very huge difference. If you don't understand, it's a small difference. Let's try to understand this concept. So what I am telling is, interview panel and then doing the job. So first I am going to make you prepared for going to the interviews. Okay, in certain period, assume 1.5 month. Then you'll start going to the interviews. Okay, parallelly you have to come to the classes, guys. Don't, don't feel like, our classes is going to be finished or something. Okay, so to go to the interviews, what kind of things we required? What kind of things we required? Everything we are going to, okay, everything we are going to take here itself. Okay, guys? So to go to the interviews, what are the things we require? I will tell you. To go to the interview, to perform in the interview, what are the minimum requirements we should have? I'll clearly tell you, guys. Okay, once, okay, going to. So you start going to the interviews. The same way, what you are going to learn? You are going to learn, something, the work you are going to do in the, in the job. Of course, from starting day onwards, we are going to focus on real time. Okay, I am going to tell you more clearly how this plan works. Let's say the first, we are going to do 3 projects in our course, guys. 3 different types of projects. The first category of project is, core, advanced, database, and then JavaScript, and then something HTML. By using this, basically CSS, this kind of work we are going to do it. By using these technologies, we are going to do one project. Next, we are going to take Hibernate, then Spring, and then some technologies, Ajax, okay, jQuery, and then we are going to do this kind of application. Of course, I just given only 3 main technologies, guys. I want to give you so many technologies including this. Okay, now in the third project includes web services. So RESTful web services, highly demanded. RESTful web services, highly demanded UI framework AngularJS, highly demanded, so JSON, jQuery technologies, guys. So this is one project basically. Okay, we are going to implement 3 different kinds of projects. Okay, we are going to implement 3 different kinds of projects. Okay, guys. So by end of our course, you can develop any requirement. Okay, guys, any kind of requirement. You can develop any kind of requirement. That may be servlets JSPs, that may be Spring related, that may be anything. Basically, you can do it. Okay. Now let's look at it, guys. After finishing this courses, parallelly we are going to learn so many things. Not only just doing the tasks, guys. Okay, we are going to focus on different concepts like how our work is going to come. That can be called as non-technical questions, and then non-technical questions, and then tools. Okay, and then every concept I am going to tell you here will be practical. Everything will be practical only, guys. Everything is practical only. Okay, even I am going to implement a small tool. That tool is going to be implemented into our project. Not like I don't want to tell that tool separately. Okay, separate technology. We have to use this, like I am going to tell you something board, and then I am not going to finish this kind of this kind of tools. I am not going to implement separately. I am going to implement the tool into our project, so that you can understand where the tool is going to be implemented, how the tool is going to be implemented. Okay, what is the requirement of that tool, and then so what is the scenario of using the tools. Basically, you are going to understand everything basically. So not only just a tool, whatever concept I am going to tell, Ajax. Okay, I am going to take real time requirements. I am going to use that requirements to implement these technologies. Everything I am going to integrate all the technologies. Okay, all the technologies for building one project. Why? Because to do one task, you require not just if you know only core Java, can you do one task? No, we cannot do. To implement one task, we should know front-end technologies, back-end technologies, and then server-side technologies. We should know all the things, guys. We should know even how to debug the application. We should know debugger tool. So many things are there. We have to implement all the concepts in conjunction. All the in combination of technologies, we have to integrate all the technologies. Then we have to fulfill one requirement. How to integrate all the technologies. Okay, so everything is going to be covered, guys. Okay, so the people really having 3 to 4 years of experience in the real time, we are going to compete. Yes, that's for sure. If you go to the interviews, you will tell to me definitely the people came, really working people came, we got the job, we got selected along with them, or we beaten the people who are really working. Yes, I can listen those words from you people, guys. Okay, so the people really who are working like 3 to 4 years people. So after finishing our course, if you follow me carefully, just okay, if you follow me just carefully our course, finally you will become like this kind of person, guys. It's for sure 100%. So even some other point is, I want to tell you one another point. After finishing our course, in some areas you are more knowledge person, skill person than this person. Why? Because you can beat the really working people, guys. Why? Because they don't know recent technologies. They don't know recent technologies. They don't know even what is AngularJS. They don't know even what is RESTful services. But we are going to learn all the things. We are going to implement projects in the technologies. That's why we can beat the persons who are really working 3 to 4 years candidates. Our competitors are not the persons who are who are going to the interviews, guys, who are putting all the persons fake. They are not they are not our competitors. Who are our competitors? The persons who are really working, who are really working in the industry. They are our competitors, guys. You can beat them. I will guarantee about it. Your seniors already, proven that, so in so many companies, guys, in HCL, only our, from Slocum, only in the HCL, 62 members. Yesterday, one person got the job. 62, last week, one person. 62 persons got the job. Only in HCL company, 62 persons are there. So in MNCs, if you go to CTS, okay, so around 45 members are there. I'm not very sure about the number in CTS. So it's more than 40, okay, 40 or 44 to 47 something. I'm not very sure about that number, but more than 40 members are there. Only in the company, only in CTS. We are not doing any backdoors, guys. We are not doing any telephonic interviews. Okay, listen carefully, guys. Some people feel like, if you come here, okay, there are so many institutes are there, right? They are going to help you in interview, okay, taking interview, and then they are going to help you in backdoors. No, we are not going to entertain you people. Why? Because, okay, if you go there, again you have to face the interviews with the clients. You know that? After getting the job, when you are entering into the company, okay, you have to contact with to whom, guys? You have to contact with clients. You have to give your interview to clients, guys. Who is going to give you? Who is going to? Again, the institute people will come there for giving interview. Don't depend on other people, guys. It's we are almost, we are, something like, already we crossed, 22 years, 23 years, yes or no? So still you are not depending on your own, then it's too danger. So just, focus on just this course, guys, 2.5 months to 3 months. That's it. You no need to depend on other people. Even after getting job also, you have to help other people. You no need to take other people help. Taking help is not bad. I'm just telling you basically. You have to be in the position to help you other people in the team. You should not be in the position like taking for everything, asking other people, asking. Why should? Just focus on just 2.5 months, guys. That's it, more than enough. You'll be in the situation like, you'll be like a king in your project. You are the, best team member in your project. You'll become like that. Because we know how to do that. Believe me, guys, follow me. So, believe and just follow me. Okay, you'll see after the results, basically. Even I cannot tell you some things happening in the real time, basically. Even if I tell you, you feel like it's a proud of something like that. Yes, our students are basically so rocking in our teams, basically. They are getting, best performer of the, project. They are very good, best performer of monthly awards, they are getting so many things, basically. Okay, so it's due to their hard work. They are not depending on the just cleverness. Cleverness is enough asset, that's it. Cleverness is asset, yes, that's for sure, of course. But only cleverness is not, going to make you success. Depend on hard work. You'll be in the, you'll be set right, guys. Okay, so you listen, just listen, believe me, and then follow me. And then, I'm going to ask the people who are getting jobs. They will come to you. You take suggestions from them. Okay, you can follow them, basically. Okay, guys. They people also will tell you same thing. What? Practice. Practice, guys. They will tell you same thing, same words, practice. Okay. So what I told you, guys, 1.5 month. In 1.5 month, okay, I am going to focus on interview, guys. If I say going to the interview, first 1.5 month, I am going to focus on what? Interview, I said, right? That is meaning that I am going to tell you theory only? No, guys. Don't be in that situation. We are not going to be in that situation, basically. Everything will be practical only. But what I am going to do? Okay, with practically, I am going to show you something like Spring, Hibernate, and then everything I am going to finish in, basically this kind of situation. then I'll make you ready for interviews, okay, but I'm not going to cover what are the things, okay, Spring, restful and all. So while you are going to the interviews, then we'll start, restful web services, project and all. Okay guys, after finishing totally our course, then you can put a third project also. Okay, in 1.5 month you will become, I am going to help you preparing resume also guys, don't worry. We are going to explain you the project, what kind of project, okay. So we are going to tell you the project which is having Hibernate, Spring, everything basically. So I am going to prepare you in one level, maybe 1.5 month, maybe it may take some more days, don't worry about it. Okay, I'll make you ready. Okay, then we'll start going to the interviews, parallelly we'll come to the classes, so that whatever things I am going to tell you, the same things you can implement into the interviews, in practice, everything. By end of our course itself guys, by end of third project, at least 10% of people has to clear your jobs. If everybody clears, I am very happy. But I will ask you, okay, I will ask you, focus on, okay, with 100% efforts guys. Okay, previously it was like, what happened was something like, okay, after finishing course, people are going to the interviews. But now what I want to do, in the middle of the course, you can start going to the interviews. By end of the course, we have to get the jobs. Okay, that's what we have to do guys. Okay, so that is what challenge for our batches right now, running batches. Challenge for our running batches is this one. Okay guys, okay. Now I am going to tell you tomorrow, okay, what I am going to tell you, what are the concepts I am going to tell you. Okay guys, and then what are the technologies we are going to cover. Okay guys, and then in 2 stages, I have divided our course into 2 stages, right? Of course 3 projects, but 2 stages. 3 projects, 2 stages. First stage is making you ready for interview. We can start going to the interviews. Second stage is, what is that? Something, so parallelly, okay, this is restful web services project basically. So this is the second stage, this is the first stage. Okay, so what are the concepts I am going to give you in the first stage, what is the concepts I am going to give you in the second stage. Okay, so I'll tell you guys. Okay, how this second stage is going to help you in getting jobs, in doing the jobs and all. What are the latest technologies we are going to use it. Okay, everything we are going to deal with this. Okay guys, I'll tell you clearly, sir, but make sure that if you have time to practice, then only come to the classes, then only join in the course. If you don't have time for practice, don't join in the course. Some people may have, some people are very busy with other, some people are doing job, yes, good, because of their financial situations, they are doing jobs, yes, no problem, it's not bad, you can no problem. At least you are not going to take the time 2 to 3 hours for practice, so then don't join. It's waste of your money, your time, and then our time also. Okay guys, because after finishing our course, we are going to, every time we are going to calculate, this batch we are going to get 40 members, yes, this how many people got the job, how many people are not getting the job. So these people, how can we help them basically, where are they? So we are going to think like that basically. If people are not getting job, because of their efforts, that's bad for us. Okay, bad for us guys basically. So we are going to take something, we feel we want to, it's very, it's very concerned about that. Okay, if everybody has to get the job, that is what our motto basically. If people are not getting job, that's bad thing for us. So the person who is getting job, the person is referring to us. Okay guys, the person who listen our classes basically, if they like, they are getting students basically. We are not depending on external advertisement and all, because of only this concentration. We, instead of focusing on advertisement, what we focus is, we focus on students, that's it. we focus on individual students. Yes guys, okay, we are going to focus on almost every student, and then we are going to help every student to get the job. Okay, so if they are not putting their efforts, then how much efforts we put on you? If you are not putting your efforts, we cannot do anything. Yes or no? That's why, so be serious. Okay, be serious to get the job. Okay, don't take like it's a fun. You are not throwing something, a stone basically, just whether it is hitting or not, just no, not like that. You are seriously targeting aim. Be like that. You definitely will get job. Leave me that part. Getting job is, it's very easy. Whatever difficulty is there, just whatever difficulty is there, just difficulty, place difficulty on my head, I'll take care of that difficulty for you. Okay guys, but be focused. Do the things, whatever things I'm going to tell you, just do that. Whatever things I'm going to tell you, very very easy if you follow daily. Some people will do all tasks in a week. In a weekend, what they are going to do? They'll do all the tasks. It is not good idea. If you finish one task today, do that. If you finish, okay guys, sorry. If one task is there, do the same day only. Don't keep pending. Okay, don't keep pending. Okay guys, do that as soon as possible. Okay guys, okay, so that in weekend what you can do, you can refer all the tasks in that week. When again you can integrate all the tasks in the weekend basically. That is best idea. Some people will do what? After 3 days or 4 days, they will take all the tasks, and then they are going to implement all the tasks basically. Don't do such kind of activities. Are you okay guys, listening what I am trying to say? Fine. Okay, so these are my suggestions, and then I have to tell the capabilities of our lab, our services guys. Now we are into Linux missions. Okay guys, so assume you have done a project in Linux mission. How it will be? Okay guys, all our lab is with Linux missions. Okay guys, right? So everybody will get a time slot. Okay, so the main point is you are not allowed going to the lab with your laptop. Okay guys, because that is secured, because we do have our projects in the lab. Okay, we are going to put, today onwards we are putting some projects into lab, it is very secured. Okay, fine. The people who want to practice with your laptops, no, don't worry. What you can do, you can use, we are going to have at most only 2 classes daily, because we are busy with okay, development, and then busy with the clients. We do have time to take only 2 classes at most, maximum 2 classes, that's it. So remaining time, all this premises is going to be free. This is, we are going to put some chairs, tables and all here. You can use your laptops over here, no problem. Okay guys, right? And then I am in coming days, maybe when you are entered into practical at some such a way, then one mission will be there. So for the people who want to connect databases remotely, server, that server is going to be work like this. Okay, I'm going to place a server here. Okay guys, it's going to be one server. You can connect all you can connect with this server basically. I'm going to make it like that for laptop people. Of course, if you go to the lab, everything is connected with server only already. Okay, that is our lab capabilities guys. Okay, Linux missions. One more thing is, every class is going to be recorded. I think everybody knows this point. Every class is going to be recorded. Recording is for backup purposes. Okay guys, if you want to listen again, no problem, it's free of cost, no need to pay any money. Okay guys, then you can listen those things. Okay, you can go to the lab and then you can listen those in your time period. Almost guys, some extra missions are there. The people who want to work more, yes, always welcome. You can go to the lab. Okay guys, you can go to the lab and then you can spend your extra time into the lab, no problem. Okay guys, and one more thing is, today you have done a task in one mission. Okay, other mission is free. Other mission is free. Then how can you get this code? The code is available in other mission, right? Yes or no? So whatever mission you have available, you can use it guys. You can get this code. Yes, it's our, basically we do have such kind of facility. How it is available in the real time, the same way we have done it. So that we are going to use some kind of SVN tool, such kind of tools we are using basically. Using this kind of tools, we are going to perform it. So that from starting day onwards, you are going to work with the tools. For normal, general purpose also you are going to use it. Okay guys. So it's going to be the SVN tool. Okay. So you can get it. So that you can take any mission, no problem. Your code is available. Okay guys. Almost, we do have a big lab, almost we do have 30 missions. Okay, 30 missions with backup missions basically. We do have some backup also, no problem. Okay, if any mission, if missions are, not fulfilling basically all the persons. Okay, if persons are increased, don't worry guys, in immediate hour, new missions will be available in the lab. Because we depend on doing the tasks guys. We have to become like, okay, something like skillful person. For that we need missions. If missions are not available, then we cannot do anything, right? Yes or no? So that's why basically we believe on, missions. If it is not at an immediate hour, we'll go to the shop and then we'll get new missions and then we'll arrange it. Don't worry about it guys. Okay, missions are, always we are going to, okay, make it ready. Don't worry about all those things. Okay, so it's our scenario. Okay, what we are doing here. So every mission, in every mission you can access the video. Every day's video you can access. If you want to listen previous class videos, you can listen. Okay, let us say you started from today. Maybe it is not recorded. Even it is not recorded, it is not useful. Okay, after classes starts, so many videos are going to be available, right? Every day's video. If you have any doubt, then again listen again. Implement that scenario. Okay guys. So if you take one mission, okay, you can find in this mission what are the things. Linux mission. Okay, you are going to develop your application. You are going to develop your application into Linux mission. Okay, I am going to tell you guys how to use Linux missions and all. Okay, don't worry about it. Linux mission. The second one. What is the second thing? So it's SVN, so that you can get code. Your code, wherever you have, you can get your code. That is the second thing. Then videos. You can listen your videos. We have developed one software guys. Okay, you can access that software. Okay, from any video software. Okay, you just have to, I'll tell you how to use that software also to watch the video. Okay, because you have to request the person, administrator will give permission to watch the video and then you can watch this. Okay, every person will take that scenario and then you have to register in the software, no problem, we can do it. So now video. Next one is, okay, every day we are going to take one task, right? Real time requirement, and then we are going to implement that requirement. Tomorrow, okay, so that today this is our code. Okay guys, this is our code. Okay, tomorrow what I am going to take? The same code I am going to take and then I am going to implement one more requirement. Yes or no? Daily we are going to implement okay, our project. So our project is something like combination of number of requirements. Is it correct or wrong? Number of requirements will be there. So there are so many requirements will be there basically. So totally it become one project. So if you take a 10th day or 20th day or 30th day, the requirements are going to be increased into our project. Our project size is going to be increased, yes or no? Okay, let us say we are in 20th day. We are doing 20th day. So I want to start one project. I want to take one requirement. Then for 20th to do this task, what I am going to take? I am going to take previous code. This previous code contains so many requirements already implemented. So this is base code, yes or no? What is the case? This is base code. Using this base code, what I am going to do? I am going to implement the requirement. So finally we are going to get what? New code. We are going to get new code. After finishing this requirement, new code is going to available, yes or no? So that this is base code, this is new code, requirement finished code. Every day we are going to have every day we do have two code bases, yes or no? This is base code, this is new code base, yes or no? So that's why these two are available in this missions, every missions. Got it guys? If you take any mission, so this is base code is available and then finished code is also available. So that what you have to do, you'll open your software, you are going to open your Eclipse, okay, you will start doing your work. When you are start doing your work, what you can do? You can take the base code, okay, on top of the base code, you can start implementing the today's requirement. Got it guys? You'll start implementing today's code. After finishing today's implementation, then what happens? Okay, you may get some doubts when you are implementing, yes or no? Definitely when you are okay, when you start implementing the code, you may get so many doubts, yes or no? When you are getting so many doubts basically, you can refer what are the things? You can refer base code, you can refer finished code, you can refer video also, yes or no? Still you have doubts, you have refer video, you have referred base code, okay, still you have doubt. What you can do? You can take help of a lab coordinator. Got it guys, what I am trying to say? Listening what I am trying to say? Okay, yeah. So we can do such kind of activities basically. Finally you can finish your task daily. Okay guys, this kind of lab activities, services are going on guys. Okay, so that's why you people have to be very careful to use all these videos basically something. These videos and then base code or finished code is not available for laptop people. That's why what you can do is use lab in your time slots. Then you can use your laptops for your personal use, or you can use the same requirements in your laptop if you want. You need all these requirements, you have to use what guys? Lab. Listening what I am trying to say? Okay guys, you can use your laptops here. For extra time you can spend, no problem. But to access all this stuff, you have to enter into the lab. Okay guys? Because don't try to copy code in the lab or videos. These are only for useful only in the lab. Okay guys, it's we are going to take bit serious about the people who tries to copy all the things. We are going to take a bit serious about it, because we want to help you a lot, but when we are helping, we don't want to lose anything, yes or no? Okay guys, that's why we help you, no doubt at all. We are going to help you, but you people should not damage us. Okay guys, that is what I want to tell you people basically. Okay, feel like whatever money you are paying here, whatever time you are spending here, it's investment for you and your career. Okay guys, it's investment for your career. Be very committed, be clever, be focused, because this investment make you getting job with the salary of 35 to 40,000 every month. Okay guys, So it is not, it's a best investment, best time for your life, guys. So make this 2.5 month, your best time for your, career basically. So you can remember this, days, this 2.5 month for, for your lifelong, guys. Definitely, I am very sure about it. The people who are getting job, who are doing very well, and then so everybody says the same thing. We cannot, forget the days how we have, put our efforts. The people says, so the best, efforts I put only in this 2.5 month. So I have spent my life, I have spent, just for enjoyment previous days, but I put, my efforts. Okay, only 2.5 month I'll be in the job. I was, I'm in the job now. So people, so many people says the same thing. Your senior batch people will say the same thing basically. So maybe when you are in the education, your PG or something, so I know, so you cannot focus on your education, yes or no? So more into enjoyments and all basically. But wait, let it be. So we are not going to be useful. That is basically the just focus these days. You'll be in the job. Okay, guys. Right? I'll tell you tomorrow more information about our course. Okay? Then day after tomorrow onwards, our real classes will start. Tomorrow is very, very interesting topics I am going to tell you, because what are the technologies we are going to cover, and then what are the types of projects we are going to cover. I'll let you know tomorrow. That is our structure. Okay, guys? Fine? Yeah. So yeah, tomorrow's class is very, very important to know what we are going to learn. If you don't know what we are going to learn, definitely it will be, okay, danger. Okay, guys? I am going to tell you tomorrow basically such kind of activities. Right, guys? Yeah. If you have any doubts, if you want to talk to me personally, come to me and then you can talk.